Okay, so a really neat neat way to clean up your inbox. So let's say you're getting a bunch of newsletters, junk emails, stuff that is not work related at all, and you just want to get rid of it because you accidentally signed up for it at some point. All you have to do is come over here and you're going to click on the email that you're like, I don't want this. And what you do is you come over here to sweep and you click on sweep. And if this is something you just want to get rid of forever, you can say move all messages from the inbox folder and any future messages, and then you can tell it to just delete it. And then you don't have to worry about unsubscribing and all that stuff. You can just know that Outlook will automatically move all these emails out of your inbox. You'll never have to see them again. If you do want to, like, let's say it's a newsletter from an education thing and you're like, oh, I think I saw something on Instagram with about that, like, then you can go to your deleted and it'll be there, but you just won't have to worry about it cluttering up your inbox anymore.